All right, Sunshine Swimmers, today we're going to be practicing kicks on the stairs. Establishing correct kicking technique from the start is essential for long-term swimming success. Practicing kicks on the stairs allows you to introduce and refine fundamental movements before transitioning into deeper water. Have the swimmers sit on their bottoms on the top stair with their legs extended in front of them. Encourage swimmers to kick using their entire legs, moving from the hips to the toes in a fluid and up and down motion. Common mistakes you'll see will be swimmers often bending their knees, mimicking a bicycle motion. Use visual demonstration and hands-on guidance to help them develop a proper straight leg kick. Engaging activities such as red light, green light can help you do this. On green light, swimmers kick continuously. Red light, swimmers stop kicking. When on red light, reinforce technique and help keep the students engaged in kicking correctly. With this instruction and fun activities, swimmers will build a strong kicking fundamentals that translate effectively into their swimming progression throughout freestyle.
Nice job. And stop.